ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଡାକିବେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ ହେଇଛି କି ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଯେ ନୂଆ ଯିଏ ଥିବ ସେ ତିନିଟା ପରେ
who are present.
My lord, the additional commissioner CMC in charge of the commissioner right now is there, my lord.
Please give the names of all those persons who are present. Who else?
My lord, the superintending engineer, roads and buildings department, PWD is also there.
Okay. Very good.
He's there. I had just spoken to him in the morning and he confirmed that he is Mr. Machi.
Where is he?
He's there. He's there, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, there was another direction. Who else are to be remain present on that? The order.
Order, my lord, order number 148.
Right. 148. Commissioner CMC, Vice Chairman CDA.
Is the commissioner of CMC.
Acha. Then Superintending Engineer R&B.
He's there.
There, sir. So just give the name. All right. Mr. Patnaik.
Yes.
There is an order number 128.
Yes, sir. Appointment,
that is dated 29/8/2024. So we directed the IAC Chowdhury Police Station to file an affidavit that he is taking all possible steps so that there would be no re-encroachment over the encroachment-free areas from OMP Square to Noa Bazar, and regular monitoring is being carried out to maintain the same. That is the affidavit order number 128, dated 29/8/24. So where is that affidavit? And we also require the similar affidavit is to be filed by that Badambadi to link road hele apankar Madhupatna au epotre haba apankar kiye Badambadi thala. So first of all, whether that affidavit is ready?
Before 19th, I will file that.
Okay. So take down that as per order number so and so, we directed the IAC Chowdhury Police Station to file an affidavit that he is taking all possible steps so that there would be no re-encroachment over the encroachment-free areas from OMP Square to Noa Bazar, and that regular monitoring is being carried out to maintain the same. Mr. Patnaik, Land Government Advocate, submits that he will file such affidavit by next date. Let similar affidavit be filed by IAC of that is Madhupatna Police Station, au epote rahile kiye Badambadi Police Station, or that area from Link Road to Badambadi. So these are the two areas. So we want to maintain it, sir. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us come to the order number 148. It is condition of the road and other civic amenities. So a list of nominated advocates was submitted to us by the Mr. Das on that day, and we requested to submit a road regarding the condition of the roads and other amenities in their respective wards to the President of the High Court Bar Association, and the copy thereof shall be handed over to the Land and Government Advocate, so also Land and Counsel for the CMC.
Now, my lords, I have received a few copies. Just
Okay, so how many wards, Mr. Das, you have received a response from?
Minimum 15 to 20 words, in fact, I have received.
Okay.
And also day for yesterday.
How they have given it, that what are the condition of the road, which area they have specified?
The photograph, and also below the photograph, they mentioned the name of that area. With regard to that, my lord, in fact, 20 advocates, they submitted the list.
No, we just want to know from how many wards you have received. That is
received minimum 15 to 20, my lord.
Just tell the exact number. We want to
Exact number
respect
because
it.
I've not verified it. Today also they are giving.
Today,
By 19th I will produce, Lord.
no, you today file because those works shall proceed. Just today, whatever you have received, you hand it over and we'll
Yes,
ask
my
them
lord,
to
yes.
proceed. Whatever you have received.
My lord, what happened, my lord? Exactly the words the advocates were submitted the list.
Yeah.
Yesterday's photograph published by Samaj also exactly same. You can see 10 to 15 photographs of that very alarming situation.
No, that is exactly the reason why we asked that when you have the nominated advocate of the respective wards. So the reason of their engagement is that they can move around their wards and give the details that these are the works which are pending. These roads in particular, this place is. So that if you have already collected, please hand it over.
I will hand over, my lord.
Okay.
Because just now also received one word.
No, it's all right. You just hand over. During course of the day, whatever you get, you just hand it over.
Yes.
Okay. Now, we want to put some questions to you because of this media reports and other things. Why these roads are getting frequently damaged, as we see? What is the reason, Mr. Commissioner? Who is to answer it, Mr. Nayak?
For the roads, inside roads, my lords, the commissioner CMC. For the main road, the superintending engineer.
Okay. Please tell us, both of you tell us.
Sir, namaskar. Sir, Commissioner CMC. Sir, actually, ଆମର ଯୋଉ frequently ବର୍ଷା ହଉଛି, ଯୋଉ ରୋଡ ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି ଆମର sometimes ଯେହେତୁ ଆମର low lying area ରହୁଛି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ, ତେଣୁ sir water logging ଟିକେ ରହୁଛି ଯାହା ଫଳରେ କି ରୋଡ ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ଲାଷ୍ଟିଂ କରିପାରୁନାହିଁ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କାମ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଏରିଆରେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ, ତାର କିଛି ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ପିରିୟଡ ଅଛି ସେଇ ଯୋଉ କାମ ସେମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲେ? ଯେତିକି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରୋଡ ର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଏମିତି ରହିବା ଦରକାର।
Sir, 1 year minimum, sir, 1 year ଆମର ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ପିରିୟଡ ରହୁଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, 1 year ଯଦି ରହୁଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ କାମ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହଉଛି କିଛି ଚେକିଂ ହଉଛି ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ନର୍ମସ ଗୁଡାକ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଖାଲି ଛିଞ୍ଚି ଦେଇ ଚାଲି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ତାପରେ 5 ଦିନ ପରେ 7 ଦିନ ପରେ ପୁଣି ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯୋଉ ଅବସ୍ଥା ସେଇ ଅବସ୍ଥା, ତ କିଏ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରୁଛି?
ଆମର sir ଯେଇ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର, ଏକ୍ଜିଟ୍ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଆଉ ସିଟି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ sir ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସେ କାମକୁ ସୁପରଭାଇଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି sir।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଯଦି ସୁପରଭାଇଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, then why these complaints are coming from it is highlighted in different media that aji ପକେଇ ଦେଇ ଗଲେ ସପ୍ତାହେ ପରେ ପୁଣି ଯାହାକୁ ସେଇଆ, ତାର ପୁଣି ବିଲ୍ ସେମାନେ ସବମିଟ କରୁଥିବେ, ଏମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଇ ତାକୁ ସ୍ପଟ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ କରୁଥିବ ବା ଅଦର ଅଫିସିଆଲ୍ସ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରି ସେ ବିଲ୍ କୁ ପାସ୍ କଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଥିବ। ତ ଯଦି ଚେକିଂ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛି ବିଲ୍ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ, ଓକେ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯଦି ଏଇ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଅଫ ୱାର୍କ କେମିତି ଏତେ ଡିଟୋରିଏଟ କରୁଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣ ରୋଡ ଟା ଫ୍ରିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଲି ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଏବଂ ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ଏକ୍ସଚେକରରୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସଚେକରରୁ ଏଇ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହଉଛି, ବିନିର୍ଭୟ ହଉଛି ଏ ପଇସା ଗୁଡାକ। କଣ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେପ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଏ ବିଷୟରେ? Mr. Commissioner,
sir,
let us take each road. But you are aware of the topography of Cuttack.
sir,
ଆପଣ କଟକ ବିଷୟରେ ତ ଧାରଣା ଅଛି ନା?
ହଁ sir, ଧାରଣା ଅଛି sir।
ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରୁ ଆସିବେ, ବ୍ରିଜ କ୍ରସ କଲେ ଲିଙ୍କ ରୋଡ ପାଖରେ ଆପଣ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ଟର୍ନ ନେବେ, ତା ପଛପଟେ ମାଛ ମାର୍କେଟ ଅଛି। When is the last time you visited that place?
Sir, ମୁଁ ଏବେ ମାନେ 2 ଦିନ ତଳେ ବି ସେପଟେ ଯାଇଥିଲି, ସେଟା ରୋଡ ଟା sir PWD ର ସେମାନେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରିବା କଥା। ମୁଁ ବି ଅଲରେଡି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଚିଠି ପତ୍ର ବି କରାହେଇଥିଲା ଆମର ଏସି।
ସେ ରୋଡ ରେ ମଣିଷ ଗଲା ଭଳିଆ ରୋଡ ହେଇନି ସେ।
Sir, that is a sir fact. That is a fact.
So what you have done to address it?
Sir, already
and that is the same condition till you reach cross Khannagar, almost up to Puri Ghat.
सर सर मो सर टुडे भी तांक सहित भी मॉर्निंग रे कथा आइतिली से रोड टा खराब अछि बोली दैट रोड बिलोंग्स टू पीडब्ल्यूडी सर से माने मेंटेन करिवे हमरो
BW ମାନେ
Superintending R&B Melody is there.
Let him. Mr. R&B, you tell us that about it.
ଗାତ ହେଇଛି not possible to go.
We are unable to hear you, Mr.
माझी वो कुहंतु कोर्ट पछरे माझी वो
Mr. Maji, are you able to hear us?
ଆପଣ ଅନମ୍ୟୁଟ କରୁଥିବେ ଯେ ଟିକେ म्यूट कर अनम्यूट कर दियन जे म्यूट कर He's speaking but some technical issue from that side it appears my lord. That's why the audio
Holding such an important post, somebody should be there to, and he knows very well that he has to appear through virtual.
I'll just call
Mr. Naik, this is indicative of the condition of the roads.
Just call.
ग्यारंटी पीरियड जोड़ा आपण कहउछंदी वर्षे लेखा तांगु दिया होउची ता भितरे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर एग्जीक्यूट कर देला काम पेमेंट भी नहीं गला तापरे रास्ता खराब हे गला कोन किछि प्रोविजन अछि आपण को पाखरे जे तांगु कहिबे नाही एटा फ्री रे आउ थरे करो बा तांको रिकवरी हो बेली एमती किछि आपनकर प्रोविजन अछि जो टंका नहीं चंती
सर सिक्युरिटी तांकर रहउची हम पाखरे से सिक्युरिटी रे हमें ताको रिपेयरिंग करिया पई जोटा रहउची ता व्यतीत सर हमर आउटे जो इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल काम होउची सेतिरे भी हमर किछि रोड भी खराब हे जाउची सर लाइक जेमिति सर हमर पीएचडी पाइप नहीं जाउचंती बा टेलीफोन ये नहीं जाउचंती जहा पर
पाइप नबा कथा अलगा कथा पाइप सेटा तो अलगा कथा हमें कहूचु जो रोड मेन रोड रो जो आपण रिपेयरिंग वर्क हेइची एवं ताकू मासे 2 मास भीतर से खराब हे जाउची कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को फुल पेमेंट हे जाउची तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को आइदर रिकवरी करिया पई किछि प्रोसीड्यूर अछि बा ताकू जो काम खराब हैला वर्षक भीतर आपण जो गारंटी पीरियड कहउचंदी सेटा को कामटा को फ्री रे करवा जाउ बेली सेमती किछि प्रोविजन अछि
हमर सर सिक्युरिटी 5% रहउची से एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट रो यदि कोठी सेमती डैमेज आसला तमे ताको रिपेयरिंग काम भी हम
हाजी जॉइंट दैट Mr. Maji,
he said that he is resolving technical issue. That technical person is already available. He will be back immediately.
No, let's know from the commissioner. ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଟକରେ ଗୋଟେ ରୋଡ let us hear from the commissioner who is in charge of Cuttack. At least one road in Cuttack which according to you is motorable. Just give me one road. I'm giving you the option. This court will be very happy. One. This roads condition has become a joke. ଆପଣ ପଢୁଥିବେ ନା ଓଡିଆ କାଗଜରେ ବାହାରୁଛି
today's newspaper is full of this
କଟକ ରାସ୍ତା ମରଣ ଜମତା
ହଁ ଆଜି ତ ବାହାରିଛି ବୋଧେ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଦେଇଛି
ଗୋଟା ସବୁ ରୋଡ ଖରାପ ହଁ
ରହିଗଲା ଗୋଟେ
I would taken that road, Mr. Naik. Day before yesterday, I was coming on in that road. It was not possible to come.
Right.
Yesterday, I had to travel. I avoided that road because it's not possible to move. It's not motorable at all.
Absolutely.
And all kinds of excuses are being given.
खाननगर नदी बंध रास्ता जोब्रा बैरेज रास्ता कपुरिया मंगलाबाग मधुपाटना शिखरपुर रेलवाई अंडरपास रास्ता
entire Cuttack.
No, I'm giving you this court is giving you an option to both of you. I didn't tell us one road which meets the minimum standard.
and within 2 to 3 weeks, we are going to observe the most awaited festival of Cuttack city, of the Millennium City. You are the officers of this Millennium City. And this is the condition of the road when lakhs and lakhs of people from different parts of state and also country are likely to visit this Millennium City. And they will see this type of road. So what impression they will carry on the functioning of the CMC authorities?
And Mr. Patnaik, why are you not appointing a commissioner? Why this ad hoc treatment for Cuttack?
I have already taken.
You don't have a, you see, you don't have a commissioner, you don't have a vice chairman, you don't have a DCP. All ad hocism is going on, and why you have chosen Cuttack for this?
I have taken instruction.
So what is, I don't understand, Mr. Patnaik. Your DCP is also DCP in charge. And that is affecting the law and order also. No one is prepared to take a call. If you want an order to be passed by this court, will not shirk.
My lord, I have taken instruction about.
And we are making it very clear, Mr. Patnaik. This time, if heads have to roll, heads will roll.
Yes. I have taken instruction about appointment.
Appoint somebody. Let somebody be accountable.
Yes.
So yes, that problem has been solved or not? Are you able to hear us, Mr. Maji?
And call unmute, keep mute unmute.
Ask him to come to the court.
Ask him
to come to the court. It will take 5 minutes.
R&B सेक्टर R&B टा कौन कहा है R&B टा पूरा which state
Superintending engineers your lordship for R&B division. Only R&B division one
Maji is the competent person. So
is one. Another superintending engineer is also there of R&B division 2, which covers to the national highway airport road. So kuch cover. We are now concerned with the first. Let us take up the arterial roads as well as roads inside Cuttack. Let us make them motorable. Mr. Patnaik, if in an emergency somebody has to take that road, particularly that link road in an ambulance, let alone what happens to what he reaches the hospital, I'm sure he cannot reach the hospital. It is not. It is just impossible.
They should be reaching here immediately as soon as possible.
Because if the people who are in four-wheelers, if they are facing this difficulty, just think of the persons who are going in two-wheelers. So, let him come. But Mr. Commissioner, since the learned president of the High Court Bar Association is furnishing a list of some wards, what are the this road repair works are necessary in their respective wards, that has been collected from the nominated advocates, and that list is to be, I think it has already been provided to the Learned Council for your CMC. So you take immediate steps for repairing those wards, and the progress report you submit when we will take up this matter on 26th of September. We are giving you 2 weeks time. In the meantime, you complete the work, and the other wards, Mr. Das will, President will get it from the other advocates of the respective wards who have not yet submitted, and that will be in the meantime be handed over to Mr. Naik, your counsel, and that will be passed to you. So today you are getting about, he says that about 20 wards he is handing over. So the rest wards, it will be collected, and it will be also handed over to Mr. Naik, and it will pass to you. And this who are to execute, and in each ward, just make the provision so that it should be addressed immediately.
Sir.
We'll take up this issue on 26th of November 2024.
Sir, engineer Nandigre, city engineer.
Sorry, 26th of September 2024. This is relating to this road repair work, but in that very order, we have stated about the other civic amenities. So that might have been also indicated, like let us say this street light and repairing of potholes, then sanitation issues, covering of drains by concrete slabs, then clearing of vegetations. All these things might have been addressed by the advocates in there. So all these issues you take up together, because this bench is today only for this purpose, road and civic amenities. So the advocates may submit under different headings. So Mr. Das, you are just tell your advocates, because you have empaneled them, right? So
Sir.
if not responding, you are at liberty to change them. So
Sir.
you must have made a request to each of them, and it is the benefit of their development of their wards.
Because of some holidays in the interval,
So that we are giving you time now. Whatever you given by today, we will be asked to him for immediate. So if they do not hand over you, that means these advocates are not interested for the development of their respective wards. That will be presumed that they are not. So now it is up to you to change them.
No, man, not will change it, because as per their own interest, we included them.
Right. That is the we have got. My esteemed brother is proposing that if any council is not responding, then each ward, suppose there are puja committees, and in each ward there are advocates also. So the puja committee can also say that which advocate be the one or two advocates, their names that can be.
So puja committee also collected. Puja committee also collected, because
Puja committee is same as the residents committee.
Nine. Puja committee.
Some areas resident committee is different. Puja committee is different.
होची सर केवल सीडी रे सेठी सर एट जो टाउन भितरे सेटा सर सब होची पूजा कमिटी सर एक्चुअली जे 59 भितरे सर मते डिफिकल्ट है से पूजा कमिटी ही कहि कि ताकोटु ही
ठीक अछि आपण वी वांट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव करले आ जे वर्तमान जो माने रेस्पॉन्स करनांती तो आपण से पूजा कमिटी को ही कोन जे आपण देइथिले एडवोकेट आउर ए टाइप रो ऑर्डर हेची समाने किछि रेस्पॉन्स ता माने कोन आपनकर वार्ड रो कोनोसी रास्ता पूरा एकदम ठीक ठाक अछि
माय लॉर्ड जस्टिस नथिंग करेक्ट मारछ पूजा कमिटी ही द्वारा समाने ही चाहउछन इंटरेस्टेड है कि तांको जगह रे कोन कोन हेची सर करेक्ट
तो
माने विथ रिगार्ड टू वार्ड नंबर 6 वार्ड नंबर 6 और अछि 19 तारिख में जोड़ देछि सब वार्ड 6 तरफ
नै हमरा कहिलु जे आपण जो गुडा का दिया हेनी बाकी गुडा का आपण देई दियौंदी नै आ जेला माने ही विल बी हैंडेड ओवर टू मिस्टर नायक विल पास इन टू द कमीशन
सर भाई 19 सर 19
वार्ड 106 residents association I am filing an IM that time and again we are submitting the representation before the authorities but they are not at all going to
सेटा केते वार्ड कहंतु 6 पे अछंती ये
No. We are making a provision that if an advocate is there of that respective ward, whatever grievance you have routed through that advocate. Otherwise, we cannot control it. So many interim applications. Just pass him through that petition. Let it come through that. That is the arrangement. The arrangement is that the advocate has been appointed, nominated. That list is with us, and every grievance of a particular ward should route it through the concerned advocate, and it will be submitted to the London President. He will scrutinize it with the advocates committee. Then that will be placed before us. Otherwise, individually we cannot take it.
Meeting also. I addressed all these residents of the
Please hand it over.
This matter is concerned. They have authorized me. The authorized.
No, already passed some model.
But in the general body meeting, I addressed all the residents and I association. I am filing this Bokaratnama from the secretary of the association.
So whatever you want. So,
अरे हाँ, amble.
so
Mr. Solanki, you have any issues in ventilating the grievances which Mr. Chaudhary is raising?
Some of the grievances I have admitted.
So,
I have because in the last general body meeting,
you file you
yes,
you file it. You give let Mr. Solanki file it.
yes, the Bhagaratama, they have said requested of red path. File this one because the court has taken grievances because
Mr. Counsel, give it to him. He will file it.
Give it to him. He will file. ହେଲା
So,
କଣ ସେଟା କୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡରେ ଯାଉଛି ଖାଲି କହ କେବଳ 6
number of times you have submitted the application.
so,
we'll see.
so that is the arrangement. We are passing the order today. So far as this road and other civic amenities, that whatever the advocate committee has given, about 20 wards that is given. So that is to be addressed immediately. And the other wards, Mr. Das, the land president, that will be collected from other wards from the nominated advocate, and that is also to be furnished to your council, and it is to be routed to you, and you take necessary steps. So, and see that these works are not substandard work, because the money is paid to the contractors, they are executing, and this is the condition of the roads. Now, if you can verify your records, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡ ଗୁଡାକ ଆପଣ ରୋଡ ର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ ହେଇଛି, ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ଏ ରୋଡ ୱାର୍କ ପାଇଁ କେବେ ଆପଣ ରୋଡ କାମ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତା ପାଇଁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା। ଯଦି ଏକ୍ସ କୁ ଏଇ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର କାମ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ the examples which my esteemed brother gave, ଯୋଉ particular road କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟ route ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର କୁ already payment ହେଇଛି and that is within your guarantee period, and now this is the condition of the road, then if you have provision, then to do the needful in accordance with law. You don't allow the work to that contractor. Whatever steps you are required to take the steps. And if any erring officials of yours is hand in gloves with those contractors and without properly verifying the quality of the road work, they are making the bill okay, then you take action against them. Why the people will suffer? Is he coming?
This is still trying.
Huh?
My lords, what I'll do, my lords, what I'm praying, my lords, the order is almost already passed. I have collected all the complaints.
This should be the order. This should be the
My
order.
lords, so I have collected all the complaints. I'll pass it on to respective the R&B engineer as well as the commissioner.
Okay.
Next date, my lords, he is to be here personally.
You have a secretary works now, Sir Patnaik.
Yes, yes.
You have a secretary works. Ask him to join on the next day.
Next day. Okay. That is on 26th. This matter will be taken up and let him.
Because he is the head of the entire organization.
So we'll pass the order today also. The secretary wants to join on 26th. Now there are some other issues about this festive season, and who is to address this, please tell. First one is this control of noise pollution during the festive season. जो परि भावरे आपनकर जो विभिन्न बाजुची म्यूजिक सिस्टम तो हेल्थ इश्यू आसुची आउ स्लीप डिसऑर्डर तो हवा कथा होची बाकी psychological issues everybody is so who is to that what steps they are taking.
Police department, law enforcement, the DCP
ठीक होंतु
DCP कटक में
DCP कटक ଆପଣ କଣ ମେଜର ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଉଚ୍ଚ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ସବୁ ବଜଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ପ୍ରସେସନ ରେ
ତ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ଡେସିବେଲ ଅନୁସାରେ
ଆପଣ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡିସିପିଙ୍କର DCP କଟକ is to file an affidavit ହେଲା on this issue. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଗୁଡାକ ହଉଛି ସେଠି ମଧ୍ୟ 50ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ମାଇକ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ବଜେଇକିନି ସେ ଏରିଆରେ ଆଉ କରୁନା ଇଏ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପୂଜା ମଣ୍ଡପ ମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ ପୁରା ଜୋରରେ ବଜଉଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଏ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆଜି ପାସ୍ ତ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଇଏ କରିବେ ଡିସିପି has to say that how is to regulate this one okay
But during this millet's religious festivals, especially
Ah.
now it will start.
Hmm.
That sound box is one thing. Now there is a metal mic that they put on top. ଚଉଡା ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ମାଇକ୍ ଟେ ଥାଏ ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗରୁ ଲଗାଉଛି
ନାଇଁ 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 ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ବକ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକର
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ସେ
DJ
ସାଇଜ ତ ଏତେ ବଡ ମାନେ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେମିତି ଛାତି
ବିରାଟ
ଯେମିତି
ବଡ,
ଇଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କରେଇଦବ
Let's apart
ମାନେ
from that,
ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ଉପରେ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଥୁଆ ହଉଛି ସେ
they call DJ box.
ହଁ ଏ ଡିଜେ ବକ୍ସ
Apart from those DJ boxes, ଦିନରେ ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୂଜା ହଉଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଯୋଉ metal mic ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି that produces that still sound and it actually permeates up to at least 3-4
they are calling it woofers
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଉଫର ଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ ସ୍ପିକର ର ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଟା ମେଟାଲ ମାଇକ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗରୁ ଲଗାଉଥିଲେ in 4 directions will fix it up.
ଚୁଙ୍ଗା ନା କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ
ଉପରେ metal ର that is actually no one can study even in that.
ନା ନା ସେଇ
ଆଜ୍ଞା apart from the boxes those mics they ହନୁମାନ ଚାଳିଶା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆରମ୍ଭ
ହଉଛି
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗଣେଶ ପୂଜାରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲା ଚାଲିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଶ୍ୱକର୍ମା ପୂଜା ଖୁଦୁରୁକୁଣି ଦଶହରା କାଳୀ ପୂଜା ବାଲିଯାତ୍ରା
public address systems ଯୋଉ mic ଲାଗେ
କାର୍ତ୍ତିକେଶ୍ୱରରେ ସରିବ
public address system ଯୋଉ mic ଲାଗେ ତାର ବଡ version so that will not allow my laws to do anything.
No,
that
Mr. Patnaik, just ask the DCP
Yes,
to
yes.
file that affidavit.
Recently, Jagatsinghpur collector banned DJ. That is under challenge before Honorable Single Judge, and we have also filed an affidavit. So that instrument is there in the for banning. There is a noise pollution act, and also in the pollution act itself, there is a provision regarding noise as a pollutant. So it is under active consideration because they were pressing for stay of that collector Jagatsinghpur order.
It's all right. That is for we are for Cuttack.
Yes, for Cuttack there is a previously they are giving permission is the commissioner.
No, that is there. Provision is there. I think earlier orders must have been there, but the whole difficulty is that it is not being
decibel is 35 decibel probably was the
65 minimum
65 above. That is how the other type of instruments were encouraged. They like they see that chungdi
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ହନୁମାନ ଚାଳିଶା ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ହଉଛି ସେ ମାଇକ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ପ୍ରାୟ 2 କିଲୋମିଟର ଧରିକିନି
ଚାରି ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ
ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ରେ ହନୁମାନ କେମିତି ଆସିବେ ମାନେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ପହଞ୍ଚିବେ ପୁରା ଚାରିପଟେ
sometimes it goes on throughout the day. It starts at 10:30 and ends at 6.
My lord, I will take instruction and also the old order they will enforce. That is what I
see the miles.
Yes.
See that.
Yes.
Next is ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମଣ୍ଡପ ଗୁଡାକ ଯୋଉ ହଉଛି ହ୍ୟୁଜ ଗେଟ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର କି ତା ପୂର୍ବ ବର୍ଷ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଗେଟ୍ ଭାଙ୍ଗିକିନି ପବ୍ଲିକ ଇଞ୍ଜୁର୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ବାଦାମବାଡି ଅର ଶିକରପୁର ଖାନନଗର ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର we want to know that ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କରୁଛନ୍ତି let them do କିଛି ଅଛି କି ଏତିକି ହାଇଟ୍ ହବ କଣ ସେଫ୍ଟି ମେଜର ସେମାନେ ନେବେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ଗେଟ୍ ଗୁଡା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ଗୁଡାକ ଆଜି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ଗେଟ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ପଡିବ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ତା ପାଇଁ ମାନେ କଣ ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରିଭେଣ୍ଟିଭ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ସ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ସାଇଡରେ ରହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଇମାଜିନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଆଡେ ତ ଗେଟ୍ ରହିଛି ସାଇଡରେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ରହିଛି ମେଲୋଡି ହଉଛି ସେ ଲୋକ ଗୁଡାକ ସେଠି ଜାମ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ସେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟିର ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ପାଖରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇକି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମସ୍ ସୋ ପୁରା ଓପନ ତାର ପଡୁଛି ତ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଜି ଇଏ କରୁଛୁ ଯେ ହାଉ you are trying to control it, check it or regulate it, these things. This height of this huge mandaps and on the public road footpath and erection of electric gates and these things. Okay.
ଆଗରୁ ସାର୍ ଥିଲା ଯେ ଦିଟା ଗେଟ୍ ହେବ ବୋଲି ଅନରଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ବିପି ଦାସଙ୍କ ସମୟରେ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ 2ଟି ଗେଟ୍ ରୁ ବେଶୀ ଅଧିକା କରିବେନି ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ପୂଜା ମଣ୍ଡପ ସାର୍ 12ଟା 13ଟା ଲେଖା କମ୍ପିଟିସନ ରେ ଗେଟ୍ ହଉଛି ଯାହା ଫଳରେ କି ସାର୍ ଏଣ୍ଟାର ରୋଡ ୱାଜ Totally squeeze.
ରୋଡ ସ୍କୁଇଜ ହଉଛି
ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି କଥା ସାର୍ ମେନ୍ ରୋଡ ଉପରେ ଆସିକି ହୋଲ କରିକି ସାର୍ ଗେଟ୍ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ହୋଲ ଟା ରହିଯାଉଛି ସେମିତି ତାପରେ ସେ ହୋଲ ବି ବନ୍ଦ ହଉନି
କାରଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରକାର ଗେଟ୍ ହଉଛି ଏବଂ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ଦିଟା ଗେଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଯାହା ମନେ ପଡୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ବାଦାମବାଡି ଗେଟ୍ ଇଏ ପଡିଥିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାନନଗର ଗେଟ୍ ଟା ପଡିଥିଲା ହଁ ତ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଉଚ୍ଚତାର ଗେଟ୍ ଯଦି ପଡିବ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଯଦି ଭିଡ ଥିବ ତାହେଲେ କେତେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର କଣ ହବ just imagine this situation. Baki next issue is this we are taking off this checking of sale of adulterated food during this festive season. এই ଯୋଉ ଫୁଡ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ମାନେ ସେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଇଏ ରହୁଛି ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଧରି ସେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ରୋଗାକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ହେଇକି ତାକୁ ଆପଣ କଣ କରିବେ କଣ ଏଇ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭ ସିଜନରେ ଯୋଉଠିକି ହ୍ୟୁଜ ସେଲ ମଧ୍ୟ ହଉଛି ତା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କଣ steps ନେଉଛନ୍ତି that will pass on the order. And another thing will pass about the traffic management about this during this period. So that needs to be filed at the traffic officer who is that he is to file. And then this particular news item which is published today Mr. Das, you just it again. This is Ajiro Samajro news. ତଳେ ଯୋଉଠି ପଡ
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଆଜି ବି ଆଣିଛି ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ପାଖରେ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ସେ ସିଟି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରଙ୍କୁ ଆମକୁ କହିଦେଇଛି ଯେ ସେଟା ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ହ୍ୱାଇୱର ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ ଏଟା ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ପାଖରେ
ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଜୋବ୍ରା ରୋଡ ରୁ ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ନୂଆ ବଜାର ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେମିତି ଅଳିଆ କୁଢ ସବୁ ଆଣିକି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ୱାର୍ଡରୁ ପୁରା ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ପକଉଛନ୍ତି
ଏଟାକୁ
ବନ୍ଧ ହଉଛି ସେ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ସେଣ୍ଟର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ ରେ ବହୁତ ଜାଗା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ୱାନ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମଧ୍ୟ କୋଉ କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ସେଗୁଡାକ ପକା ହଉଛି
ଏଟା ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ କୁ ଲାଗିକି ପୁରା
ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ରେ ଆପଣ ଯାଇଛି ଯୋଉ ଏଇଟା ତାର ସାଇଡ ଟା ଏପଟ ସାଇଡ ରେ ଯୋଉଠି
ରାଣୀହାଟ ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜ
ରାଣୀହାଟ ମେଡିକାଲ ତାପରେ ସେ ଛତ୍ର ବଜାର ଆଗକୁ ସେଠି ସେ ମାତୃଭବନ ପୁରା ଏଣ୍ଟାର ରୋଡ ରେ ସେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ୱାର୍ଡ ରୁ ଯୋଉ କଲେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ତାକୁ ଆଣିକିନି ସେ ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ର ସାଇଡ ରେ ପକେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟାକୁ ମାନେ କ୍ଲିୟର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଟାଇମ୍
ଉଠଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଜଏଣ୍ଟ କମିଶନର କହିଲେ ସେ ତାକୁ
so Mr. Commissioner I hope that we'll pass this order today. You please go through this news item which is published in the local news daily and it is under the heading of कौन सा heading कौन है
अदालत के निर्देश को मानू नाहंती सीएमसी तालगंडा केनाल पार्श्वरे अलिया गदा
sir
एको we are giving you time for let us say 72 hours to clean all these things from Jobra to Nuwa Bajar.
Sir,
it should be done in a one footing.
Sir,
आजिका कागज रे समाज रा टुडेस पेपर
आजिरो पेपर दी समाज पेज नंबर 8 हेडिंग होची कोन पढन मिस्टर
हेडिंग होची अदालतक निर्देश को मानुनी सीएमसी तालदंडा केनाल पार्श्व रे अलिया गदा
we are giving you 72 hours time and Mr. Das आपन को से एरिया रे जो एडवोकेट तांकू सोमवार दिन कोंतु से एरिया विजिट करिवे से माने आपन को गोटे रिपोर्ट देबे आपन सबमिट करिवे जे प्रकृति रे से सफा है कि नै विल वी आर पासिंग दैट ऑर्डर आपन तांको थ्रू रे कलेक्ट करो सेटा जो जो वार्ड भीतर जाउथिबो तांको रेस्पेक्टिव ये को कोंतु समान रिपोर्ट another things which were asked on the last occasion you park goda ko achi Katak re where this that Mr. Mahapatra Dayanand
सिटी
ଆପଣ କଟକର ଯୋଉ ପାର୍କ କେତେଟା ପାର୍କ ଆପଣ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
तो सिटी भीतर जो पार्क अछि तो बो जानिबार तीनटा पार्क पार्क अनंत टुटु अदर पार्क जोडा सब म्युनिसिपालिटी
which are the parks you are maintaining
बिजू पटनायक पार्क जोटा अछि सेटा बे म्युनिसिपालिटी की
well in fact we filed an affidavit And there is another PIL. This is WPC PIL number 22229990/2014. I have the copy of that. I do not sign it.
No, it is relating to Cuttack Park.
Yes, I have filed an affidavit. I have a copy because
So it has been listed earlier.
it was listed earlier before Honorable West.
Justice Honorable suggested matter here needs to be listed.
It has already been done.
Yes.
So,
I serial item number 2.
oh, अच्छा अच्छी की list है. Then
22990.
Two Miss Mapat.
22990 of 2014.
Is 8 na?
22990 of 2014.
Page 8 of the list. ठीक ना ये टी अंपायर थियो कथा এটা আছে না ओपन करो
और दौड़ूंगा और स्क्रॉल डाउन करो.
this time
कंपेयर लिस्ट में
help ऐसे
घंटा क्लियर हो
This is affidavit dated 4/12/2023.
affidavit dated
4/12/2023.
412 48.
who is the deponent there?
Well, it's the present commissioner in charge.
Please pass on a copy.
Well,
Not been
Not getting it.
fine.
Fresh.
Oh, no such a place activity.
No, no,
That
he
is
is not-
high court decision
not-
that is to be placed on that. Yes, what you have stated in here.
my copy, well, there is a list of 52 parts.
52 parts.
Oh, that is there. That is ସେଇଟା ସାର୍ ଏଠି ଅଛି
52 parks ର parks ରୁ ଆପଣ କେତେଟା maintain କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ
That list is also there. That unfortunately was my copy is what I have handed over.
no no sir.
ଏଇଠି ସାର୍ ଅଛି annexer A/4
ଏଇଟା ବାହାର କରୁନ ଏଇଟା.
annexer A/4
Okay, okay. हाँ. Now, if you are maintaining so many parks by the CMC, तो वर्तमान जो इश्यू आसुची जे पार्क गुड़ाक प्रॉपर्ली मेंटेन होनी सेठी घास अन्यान्य गछ सबू सेठी जोठी की साप रहिबार संभावना अछि बा जो माने विजिट करूचंती पार्क से माने ता द्वारा अफेक्टेड होचंती ए सब पई आपण कोन स्टेप नउचंती.
सर सर हमरो जो 52 पार्क सीएमसी मेंटेन करूची हमें सर पीरियडिकली सर बुश कटिंग करूछु जो ऑन ग्रास अछि ताकू भी काटुछु आउ एबे भी कोर्टकर निर्देश प्रकार हमें सर वर्तमान 43 पार्क आउट ऑफ 52 पार्क रो बुश कटिंग सारी दी छलुनी सर आउ ग्रास कटिंग मध्य आमे लॉन्ग ग्रास रे मध्ये 41 कंप्लीट कर दे छलुनी आउ रेस्ट गुडा सर आमे 15 दिन भीतर सारी दबु आ जो सर लाइट तो प्रॉब्लम भी अछि आमे ताको लिस्ट आउट करिचु हमरो इलेक्ट्रिकल सेक्शन को दिया जाई छी से 8 दिन भीतर सब लाइट भी सर सब पार्क रे लगेबे आ हमरो स्टाफ सब
विभिन्न विभिन्न प्रकार समस्या रहउची बुश कटिंग प्रॉपर्ली होनी तापरे लाइट तो रहुची जो खेल जिनस सब रखा एक्सरसाइज जिनस सब रखा से सब भांगी भुंगी गलानी एई प्रकार विभिन्न कंप्लेन सब आसुची पार्क रो मेंटेनेंस प्रॉपर्ली हो नाही एवं तेणु ए विषय आपण कौन स्टेप्स नहीं have you mentioned it in detail in that
Mr. Mahapatra, you are in charge of how many parks?
Out of the list, 3 parks.
Which are those 3 parks?
Serial number 47.
47, yes.
47 is Jayaprakash Narayan Park,
Yes.
EDA sector 6.
Yes.
So you are there. आपण पार्क ठीक
ନାଇଁ 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 ବୁସ୍ କୋଟିଂ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଥର ବି କହିଥିଲେ ସିଏମସି ଯେ ବୁସ୍ କୋଟିଂ ଠିକ ଆସୁଛି
Just a minute.
अच्छा
ଆଉ ଲାଇଟ୍ ବି ନାହିଁ ରାତିରେ ବି ବୁଲିବା ବି ଅସମ୍ଭବ
नहीं नहीं ठीक है अच्छा
What are the other 2? 47?
8 minutes, Biren Mitra Park.
That's it, serial number?
48 minutes.
सेक्टर 9 रो की एडवोकेट अछन मिस्टर दास सेक्टर 9 रो की एडवोकेट अछन
Sector 9 रे सर देखिलो
ସେକ୍ଟର 6 ରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍କ ଅଛି ଇରିଗେସନ
विदेशी
ସି ବି ସେ ଅଛି
sector 9 टा वार्ड केते
That is not mentioned here because at that time this park was not there.
Maybe.
9 टा वार्ड केते
ସେ ସି ବି ସେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ ହଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
sector 9 टा रो वार्ड केते
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍କ କହିଲେ
बिजु पटना पार्क 47
ବିଜୁ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ପାର୍କ କଣ କର
4 बिजु पटना पार्क तो सीडीए मैत्रजीत महांती
49, sir. 49 is Biju Patnaik.
number
47 is 47 is Biren Mitra.
47 48
47 to 49, these 3 parks.
50 also. Jugal Kishore Mahanti Park.
सेटा का
That is sector 9.
ବୀରକିଶୋର ପାର୍କ
sector 8
Sector 8. That's in sector 8.
ବୀରକିଶୋର ପାର୍କଟା ବି କିଛି ହବନି ସେଇଟା ବି କାହା
Birakishore Park nahi hai.
so Mr. Sarangi what are the main problems which you are facing in your
ଆଜ୍ଞା
park
ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର 6 ଦିଟା ପାର୍କ ଅଛି
microphone solution is here
One number 6, there are 2 parks.
yes
One is Jyotish Park, another Virikeshu Park. Just now he has said that Jodhpur Park is under CDA,
okay
but no bush cutting, घासोड़ा इत्यादि ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ ରାତିରେ ବି ଲାଇଟ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ବାଥରୁମ ଅଛି ମାନେ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଶୌଚାଳୟ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ବି ମେଣ୍ଟେନ ହଉନି ମାନେ ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ପରିସ୍ରା କରିବା ପାଇଁ
bush cutting is one thing
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ହେଲା ବୁଶ କଟିଂ ଆଉ ଲାଇଟ୍
lighting then maintenance of
ରାତି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ ଯିବା ଅସମ୍ଭବ
high mast light ଅଛି
ରାତିରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ସେ ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ସବୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ
and maintenance of
When did you
fast
go
food.
to that park last time?
केबे जाइथिलो
କିନ୍ତୁ 3-4 days back
अच्छा
I go there every day in the morning.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
नहीं evening
ଆଗରୁ ଯାଉଥିଲି ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେଲା
Evening also I have seen there is no light.
ଲାଇଟ୍ ନାହିଁ ଇଭିନିଂ ଲାଇଟ୍ ନାହିଁ
so what is this list which is before us and we बोधहुए एटा सब पार्क रो एई टाइप रो 3टा 4टा जिंस कॉमन प्रॉब्लम रहउची गोटे होची बुश कटिंग प्रॉपर्ली होनी द्वितीय होची लाइटिंग ठीक नाही तृतीय होची जो वॉशरूम सब रहिची ताकि प्रॉपर्ली मेंटेनेंस होनी आउ तापरे अन्य कोन थिबो तो आपण केमती एड्रेस करियो आपण पार्क रो जो दायित्व सब कोन अन्य लोक मानक काहा को देइचंती प्राइवेट एजेंसी को ना कार आपण को स्टाफ मेंटेन करछन
कॉर्पोरेटर माने स्टैंडिंग कमिटी गोटे थाए तांको सब दायित्व देकी करछन किछा
Now, Mr. Patra, you are addressing us on behalf of the CDA.
ସାର୍
लोक सेठी जणे लोक एसी
ଆମର ସାର୍
हरिबुल आगु केबे नथिला
Then, Mr. Patra, why don't you explore the possibility of putting up high mast lights in these parks? What is the difficulty?
କିଛି ଆମେ ହାଇ ମଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛୁ
तो कौन सी पार्क रे high mast light नहीं?
ହାଇ ମଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇଟ୍ ର ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଆମେ କରିବୁ ସାର୍
केबे करिवे?
we are writing this in the order
within ଟେଣ୍ଡର କରିବୁ
And as my lord has pointed out, there is open gym. You have put some equipment there. Equipment is missing for the last 1 month.
सेटा कहले पर कोन पानी टाकी
सेठी वयस्क लोक जाउचंती पिला माने जाउचंती
पानी नाही
संध्या बेले से माने सेठी घास रे बसुचंती से साप कामुडा रे से माने
most likelihood they will be affected
सी कहूची जे पानी टांकी रे पानी नहीं पानी भी आसुने टॉयलेट को
bathroom nahi hai,
Right.
go to bathroom nahi.
Sir, se bathroom
yes.
ରେ ପାଣି ସାର ଆସୁନି ବୋଲି my lord,
ହଁ,
friend
ସେ
saying-
ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଅଫ
ନାହିଁ।
ୱାସରୁମ ଯୋଉଟାକ ଅଛି, ଯୋଉଠି ଅଛି ସେଠି ସେ ୱାସରୁମ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବୋଲି ତାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବେ sir.
Again. And Mr. Patra, kindly look into the security aspect of it also.
sir,
You have only one guard, you have only 2 guards. So most of the time the guard is missing.
sir,
There is no one. Particularly in the evening when ladies are going, elderly people are going. There is no. I think Mr. Patnaik should also look into this. Kindly address this, Mr. Patnaik.
Yes, sir.
At least put someone in plain clothes. We are conscious of the dearth of home guards and others, but if you put somebody there, that will send the signal that somebody is watching.
But the superintending engineer.
We'll wait to just 1 second. Let him wait.
The statistics, my lord wanted how much money, how much manpower is there, my lord, for maintaining these paths.
Yeah.
That is, my lord, at page 2 of the affidavit that I was referring to at point number 4, paragraph 4.
ହଁ, କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
My lord, 3 hired tractors are engaged for lifting of garbage and for water supply at a cost of 1,50,000 rupees per month.
କପିଟେ ବାହାରିଛନ୍ତି ତମ
You are referring to paragraph 4.
My lord,
Yes.
This is just a minute. No, that is not the affidavit on behalf of the opposite. That is dated is 4/12/2020.
my lord, 4/12/23 affidavit, page 2.
अच्छा, तो ये दीटार कॉपी मत बात हुई है ना?
Then also Mr. Patra was the
My lord.
Okay, engagement of so and so water supply etiquette nahi back them. Okay, paragraph 4 you have stated that 3 hired tractors are engaged for lifting the garbage and for water supply at the cost of rupees 1,50,000, and 235 numbers of staff are engaged. Se kon koruchandi?
176 numbers of outsourced staff working as gardeners, helpers, and for watch and ward.
ନା ଏଇ ପୁରା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି,
Again.
ଏତେ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ତା ଦେହରେ ଘାସ ଏତେ ବଡ ବଡ ହେଇଗଲାଣି, ଆଉ ଯାହା ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ପାଣି ଦେବାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ ନା, ତେଣୁ ସମୟ ଅଧିକା ମିଳୁଥିବ, ସେତେବେଳେ ହୁଏତ ଖରା ଦିନେ ପାଣି ପାଇଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ସେ ଆଉ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ କରିବା କଥା, ତ ଏଇଗୁଡାକ କିଛି ହଉନି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବୁସ୍ କଟିଂ ହଉନି, ଲାଇଟ୍ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ, ସେ କହିଲେ ହାଇ ମାସ୍କ ଲାଇଟ୍ ର ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ କରିବେ ବୋଲି।
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ବୁସ୍ କଟିଂ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ପ୍ରତି ୱାର୍ଡରେ ଗୋଟେ ବୁସ୍ କଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସେ କହିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ବୁସ୍ କଟିଂ ଆମକୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରିବେ, କେହି ତ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ, ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ୟାରେ ବୁସ୍ ଅଛି ତୁ କାଟେ, ସେ ତ କେହି ତ ଆମକୁ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କହିଥିଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ନାୟକ ଯେ ବୁସ୍ କଟର ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖା କରିବେ, ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇବେ କୋଉଠି କାଟିବେ।
ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ବୁସ୍ କଟିଂ ଟା ସେଟା ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ, ଏଇଟା ପାର୍କ ପାଇଁ।
Sorry, you have mowers, grass mowers, grass cutting machines.
They should have that is.
Grass cutting machines. Mr. Patra, grass cutting machines achi?
Lawn mowers.
yes sir,
Lawn mowers as we call it. ନା ସେ ଖଣ୍ଡାରେ ହାଣନ୍ତି, ଦରକାର କି ସେଥିରେ କିଛି ମନା ନାହିଁ, that is good. Mower is a very effective. That is effective. Yes, do you have grass cutting machines?
grass cutting machine sir ଆମର ଅଛି
ସେଥିରେ କାହିଁ କାଟୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଘାସ?
sir, କାଟୁଛୁ sir, periodically କଟା ହଉଛି sir.
କୋଉଠି କଟା ହଉଛି? ମୁଁ ତ କାହିଁ ଦେଖୁନି କୋଉଠି କଟା ହଉଛି. I am going there every day.
sir,
You come with me tomorrow morning in the morning walk. We'll see. So we have not come from alien planets, Mr. Patro. We are concerned about the health state of this city. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ ଖଣ୍ଡାରେ କାଟୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ କାଟିଛନ୍ତି କିଛିଟା, not that କାଟି ନାହାନ୍ତି, କାଟିଛନ୍ତି, but that is not sufficient. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ମୋର୍ସ ରେ କାଟନ୍ତେ ଆହୁରି ଜଲ୍ଦି ହୁଅନ୍ତା। Kindly look into this.
ଯଦି ମେସିନ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ କାଟୁନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି? ମେସିନ ୟୁଜ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ, ମେସିନ କଣ ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନା କଣ? machine to କାଟିଲେ ଭଲ finishing ହେଇକି ବାହାରିବ।
କିଛିଟା equipment ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯାଇଛି swings ହେରିକା ଯୋଉ ଯାଇଛି ସେ ପାର୍କ ରୁ ଯାଇଛି ସେ it is gone for last 15 days it is gone for repairs or I don't know what for it is gone, it has not been replaced. That is the state of the open gyms that we are running in the parks.
Open gyms.
Smart.
And
So everything is there. Mr. Mahapatra will be surprised. There is wonderful equipment there. People are using it. You don't go to parks, that's a different thing. I'll invite you to come have a cup of tea with me and walk with me. It's a wonderful sight when many senior citizens are using it. But unfortunately, there is so much of growth. Once or twice, I have told them that not to use it.
The vice chairman is there, I think we'll take care of that.
Because there is real danger of snake bite, as my lord has said.
Right. We'll take care of that. The commissioner is there, but he is also the vice chairman. And we'll see that it
and in the festive season, just think over it. I think this law and order mechanism, machinery, also both of you have to sit down.
Right.
If you are closing the parks at 8 o'clock in the festive season, at least increase it by half an hour, at least 8:30.
And a huge number of public are likely to visit the parks during those seasons.
Right.
And what will happen if you keep the parks in this condition? Will not push-cutting.
We'll see that.
And that walk paths that are there that are not cleaned. Now there is fall of these all these leaves and other things they fall. ଏତେ ଖସଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକ ଖସିବେ ସେଥିରେ.
Right. I took note of all these things, my lord. We discuss with the
kindly interest of Mr. Patra.
Yes, so
These affidavits we are referring to.
we discuss with the vice
So
chairman.
this is the order we are likely to pass in 2990, that is on 2000 for proper maintenance of the parks. So yes,
And Mr. Patnaik, what about the appointment of officers who can take care of Katak?
Yes, that I have talked today. By 19th, actually 19th, they will give a response because I want that all the major posts should be filled up immediately.
You see, they say work is of such nature that one who is heading the CMC, you can't burden him with BDA, CDA work, and then you say that nothing is happening.
CMC commissioner, then
CDA vice chairman.
CDA vice chairman.
Now everything is rolled into one, Mr. Patra.
Chairman, how important for
DCP.
DCP,
You kindly appreciate Mr. Patnaik. All the three posts are very crucial. And in all the three, we are faced with ad hocism.
Yes.
Why this special treatment for Katak, I do not understand.
Yes, Mr. Please come. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ମାଇକ୍ ଟିକେ ଅନ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଯୋଉଟା ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ଆମେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଜାଗାଟା ଯୋଉଟା ବହୁତ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦେଲେ
ସାର୍
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ୱାର୍ଡ ଅଛି ଯୋଉ କମଳ ସେ ଓଡିଆ ପ୍ରବାଦଟା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତ ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ କହୁନି ସେଟା ଯଦି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟ ସରିଲା ପରେ ତେଣୁ ସେ ଖାଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦେଲେ ଯେ ସେ ତେଣୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜିକାର ପେପର ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ତ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପୁରା ପୁରା ବିଭିନ୍ନ
ଆପଣ କଟକରେ ରହନ୍ତି ନା ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଯିବା ଆସିବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି? କଟକରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଏରିଆରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି? ସିଡିଏ ରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି। ତ ସିଡିଏ ତ ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ପାର୍କ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ତ ଯାଉଥିବେ ଚଲାଚଲି କରୁଥିବେ ଗାଡି ନେଇ ଯାଉଥିବେ। ଆର୍ ୟୁ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏଡ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ବଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ହୋଲ୍ଡ କରିଛି ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ରହୁଛି ଏ ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ଏତେ ଇଣ୍ଟେଲେକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ପର୍ସନ ସବୁ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ସ ଡକ୍ଟର୍ସ ଜଜେସ୍ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ଜଜେସ୍ ଦେ ଆର୍ ଷ୍ଟେଇଂ ଇନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଏରିଆ ଆଉ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ହଉଛି ଆର ରାସ୍ତା କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଆର ପାର୍କ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ତ ଯଦି କୌଣସି ଲୋକ ଆସିକିନି ସେ ଡାଟା ନଉଥିବ ଯେ ସିଡିଏ ରେ କୋଉମାନେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ସିଡିଏ ରେ ଏଇ ମାନେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାହେଲେ ରାସ୍ତା ଯଦି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଏଇଆ ତାହେଲେ ଆମ କଥା କିଏ ପଚାରିବ? ତେଣୁ
what is your action plan, sir? How do you propose to address it?
ଏଇଟା ଯାହା ଏଇ ରେନି ସିଜନ ରେ ବି ଯେତିକି ସାର୍ ପଟଲ ହେଇଛି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ସାର୍
ରେନି ସିଜନ ତ ଏବେ ହେଲା। There was ଆପଣଙ୍କ ୟା ଭିତରେ ତ ବହୁତ ମଝିରେ ଶୁଖିଲା ଥିଲା। You are allowing it to deteriorate. Why are you doing this? You are actually curious to know.
ଆଜି ବି ପେପର ରେ ବାହାରିଛି ନେଇକିନି ସବୁ କଣ ପକଉଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ କଣ ଯେମିତି ଟିକେ ଭୋଗ ଦେଲା ଭଳିଆ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ କଣ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ବିଞ୍ଚି
ବହୁତ କଥା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେଥିରେ।
ପଢିବେ ସବୁ ରାତି ଅଧିଆ ନେଇକିନି ବିଞ୍ଚି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
ସେଥିରେ ବହୁତ କଥା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। We are not imputing any motive to anyone. ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ଆଉ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ମାନଙ୍କ ମଧୁଚନ୍ଦ୍ରିକା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
This is not actually
ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣମାନେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱାବଧାନରେ ଯୋଉ କାମ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରିକରିଂ କାମ ହଉଛି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଲେଉଟିଆ କିଆରି ହେଇଛି। ଆହୁରି ବହୁତ କଥା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ କହୁନି ଆପଣ। We want action on the ground. We are not concerned with affidavits. We have had enough affidavits.
That is the reason why we engage. We requested the president to engage the advocates from different wards. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପିକ୍ଚର ରିଅଲ ପିକ୍ଚର ଟା କଣ ଆସିବ ଏଇ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ହେଲେ ତ ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା କଥା। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ସ ମାନେ ଆମର ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପୁଣି ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ପୂଜା କମିଟି ସବୁ। ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ରିଅଲ ପିକ୍ଚର କଣ ଆଣିବେ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି କହିବେ ୱାର୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର ଅମକରେ ଆମେ ଏଇଆ କାମ କଲୁ immediately we'll collect the report from the advocate.
You give us a tentative time frame
ଆଗକୁ ପୂଜା ଆସୁଛି ଆଜି 20ଟାର ପାଇଲେ ଆଉ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଦାସ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ବାକି ତକ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଓଭର କରିବେ ୱିଦିନ୍ ଭେରି କ୍ୱିକ୍ ଟାଇମ୍। ଆପଣ ଏଇ ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ଯୋଉ ମରାମତି ହଉଛି ସେଟା କେମିତି ଭଲ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିର ହବ। ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଯୋଉ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଆମେ ଆଜି ଅର୍ଡରରେ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବୁ ସେଟା କେମିତି ଆଡ୍ରେସ ହବ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡିଂ ଦି ପାର୍କସ ହେଲା। You see this is a main festival of Cuttack. Durga Puja is the main festival of the Cuttack. So you should keep it clean, colorful. ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ହବ ଲୋକ କଣ ବୁଲିକିନି କଣ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରିବେ। ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ ବୁଲିବେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପେଣ୍ଡାଲ ବୁଲିବେ ଦେଖିବେ ମେଢ ଦେଖିବେ କଣ କରିବେ
ଗୋଡ ଭାଙ୍ଗି
ରାସ୍ତା ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ ଅଳ୍ପ ଦିନ ବର୍ଷା ହେଇଛି ଅଦରାଇଜ ତ ପାଗ ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି।
ଏଇ ଗଲା 4-5 ଦିନ ତ 2 ଦିନ ବୋଧେ ବର୍ଷା ହେଇଛି ଆଗରୁ ତ ଠିକ
ଭଲ ଥିଲା।
ନକଲା ବେଳକୁ ବିଟି କାମଟା ମାନେ ଆମେ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 5 ଭିତରେ ରିଙ୍ଗ ରୋଡ ପୁରା ଠିକ କରିଦେଇଥିଲୁ ମହିଳା।
ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 5 ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ସବୁ କାମ ସାରିଦେବେ।
ପଟୋଲ ଫ୍ରି ରିଙ୍ଗ ରୋଡ ଯୋଉଟା ସ୍ପେସିଆଲି ବେଶୀ ଖରାପ ହେଇଛି ସେ ରୋଡ ଯେଟା ତାପରେ ସେଟା ରିଙ୍ଗ ରୋଡ
ଆମେ ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ୱାର୍ଡ ନଉଛୁ
ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିବୁ
ଖାନନଗରଟା ବେଶୀ ଟିକେ ହେଇଛି ସେ
ସେଟା ଆମେ ବିଫୋର ଦୁର୍ଗା ପୂଜା 5th of October
this matter on 26th of September and we are directing that the progress report in each ward is to be filed by way of an affidavit. Who is to file that affidavit? Tell us, Mr. Man.
Let's for the main roads, the S&D will
just a minute. We are taking notice.
Who is the Secretary of Works now?
BB Jadhav.
BB Jadhav. He's a technical person or an engineer?
Yes.
Nowadays you have stopped the practice of Mr. Patnaik. Nowadays you have stopped the practice of Secretary of Works being an engineer.
That for sometimes it was there. Now
6 years.
Main roads
for the main roads, so superintending engineer R&B.
Just a minute.
Division 1.
They said that there is an you are SC Division 1.
Yes.
Maji? And there
is a Division 2 also. But those are very few roads. So majority of
mainly the roads are under you. Major road comes under your.
And the arterial roads, my lord, under city engineer CMC.
There Mr. Patro comes in.
Yes.
So affidavit to be filed and this matter will be taken up on 26th. And with the progress made Secretary Works to represent. Secretary Works to join. Secretary Works to join to virtual mode. Right. And Mr. Commissioner, you see that this say you Olia Gada ସବୁ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଆଜିକାର ପେପରରେ 72 hours ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ ସଫା କରନ୍ତୁ. That will be the order, and the advocates committee will visit on Monday. 72 hours you are getting. ସେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ସେଠି ଅଳିଆ ଏମିତି ପକେଇକିନି ରଖିବେ ନାହିଁ. ପୁରା ସେ ରୋଡରେ ଯାହା ପେପରରେ ବାହାରିଛି ଯାହା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସତ କଥା. ବିଭିନ୍ନ ୱାର୍ଡରୁ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରଟାରେ ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ସାଇଡରେ ପକେଇକି ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି. ହଁ, ତାକୁ ଗାଈ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ କୁକୁର ତାକୁ ନେଇ ଖେଳା ଖେଳି କରି ଯାହା ଅବସ୍ଥା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, just see it.
Mr. Maji, come up with an action plan. Which roads we will, so that because while addressing the roads issue, you have to close one road because with traffic on, that work cannot be done. But such is the bad condition of the roads. I do not know. Mr. Panda was also might have come by that road. I do not know.
ring road ta kala bele amuk tike difficulty chaba ame specific traffic
No, that is Mr. Panda. The day before yesterday, you returned by which road?
I returned by the Patia.
You are smart.
2 days ago, I visited that road. I returned from Bhubaneswar.
Very good.
It's absolutely not.
Absolutely from that Machubodam.
That's good.
What situation it is?
ସେ ରୋଡ ଟା ସାର୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏକ୍ସପାନସନ କାମ ଚାଲିଛି ସାର୍. ସେ ଯୋଉ କାଠଯୋଡି ଆମର ଖାନଗର ଟୁ ଲିଙ୍କ ରୋଡ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯୋଉ ବସ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଦେଇକି ଯୋଉଟା ଯାଉଛି
ଖାନଗର ଟୁ ଚାଲିଛି ଯଦି ଏକ୍ସପାନସନ ଚାଲିଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ରୋଡ ଟାକୁ ପୁରା ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବେ କି ଆପଣ? ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ରୋଡ ଟା ତ ଗୋଟେ ରୋଡ ଭଳିଆ ଥିବ. ଆମେ ସେଠି ସେ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଗଲେ ଆପଣ ରୋଡ ଖୋଜିବେ. ରାସ୍ତାଟା ପୁରା ଗାତ, ରୋଡ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେଠି. ଆଜ୍ଞା, I am grateful to my driver that he could somehow maneuver, and otherwise it would have been compelled to take a turn back, come to via Jobra. Se rasta re jai houn. It is impossible. And because Arapot ta ahuri kharab, so people are forced to violate the traffic rules and come this way.
Just ask him the condition of the road in front of the municipal office, my lords. The road which connects the municipal office to Jolasai.
No, Mr. Panda, you came late. This bench gave an offer to the commissioner CMC just to identify, according to his conscience, identify one road in Cuttack which can be said to be a road, as we normally understand.
He should. He cannot identify. There are no such roads in the entire state. Including my lord CDA, where also the roads conditions are very bad.
Mr. Das,
they only make big noise.
So, everything is all right in Sabita Ranjan Patnaik's
No,
but he came late, so we thought that everything is all right.
Just now 100 hours. Number 5 entire damage.
Ample so ठीक ठाक दिन
Water logging, the road condition have these.
all right.
Series of photograph my lord. ଏତେ ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ ଏତେ ବଡ
ଆପଣ କେତେଟା ୱାର୍ଡ ଆପଣ ଇଏ ଖାଲି ନମ୍ବରଟା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଦବୁ number of words.
Mr. Maji will, as my lord said, we will be taking up this matter on 26th. So,
and you are required to file an affidavit about the progress made in the meantime, and the other man will also file that affidavit.
And the action plan. How you want to address this?
Yes. And please highlight, as we said, that suppose somebody has executed the work, okay, within 2 to 3 months, that is again getting damaged. So is there any provision for recovery of that amount, or to ask him to repair that work free of cost? Is there any provision which is available?
1 year ଭିତରେ defect liability period
ନାଇଁ
ଭିତରେ
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 1 year ଅଛି ଯେ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ପିରିୟଡ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କାହାଠୁ ଆଦାୟ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ଯଦି ଏମିତି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛି, ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ରାସ୍ତା କଣ୍ଡିସନ ମାସେ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ କଣ ହଉଛି, ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କାହାଠୁ ରିକଭରି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. That would set an example for others contractors and also the officials who are stated to be, as news published, hand in gloves with those contractors in passing the bills. सबस्टैंडर्ड वर्क करा जाउची से बिल पास हो जाउची 2 मास पर जो अवस्था को से अवस्था जदि आपनकर प्रोविजन अछि एग्रीमेंट करूचंती वर्षे पर्यंत ए रोड रो कंडीशन ए टाइप रहबो 2 मास रे जदि एमती कंडीशन होउची देन टेक एक्शन अपन सिक्योरिटी थिबो ये जहा कहउचंती मिस्टर कमिशनर टेक एक्शन and don't allow that contractor to do any further work.
Blacklist him.
Blacklist him. That will set an example for others. There are so many things available with.
Yes, carrying forward what has fallen from my lord. So what is happening, Mr. Maji, you know. Bartan apan kariyo, there is some patchwork which goes up to February, March. Then by February, March, the roads are again back to where they were. Then this will all suffer till the Bali Yatra. Then again before Bali Yatra, the same exercise, same Talipoka Kama. And this is going on and on and on. There is no relent, nothing. We have been tolerating this for too long, Mr. Maji.
There is a phrase built-in obsolescence that is built into the road building chart in Kannada.
Well, actually, Mr. Panda, I can't say it now. That MB has a different connotation. Because of restraints, we can't say it in court.
All right, so we'll pass the order, man. That's all.
हाँ, ठीक है।